Hello my bunnies, welcome back. Today we are making something really cool. We are making some donut bread pudding. So if you're a fan of bread pudding, you will love this because instead of regular bread, we're using donuts. And I feel like this is a good quarantine type recipe because I was easily able to order like 12 donuts off of Uber Eats, not sponsored. So if you want to bake but have minimal ingredients, this is perfect. So let's get started. Okay, so first you want to get a dozen donuts, and you want them to be the fried donuts and not the baked donuts. This is important because it will significantly determine the texture of the bread pudding, and the fried ones are infinitely better in this recipe at least. And chop them into eighths and just place them on a baking sheet. And also, how delicious does this look? I love that I live a life where I can have just donuts on my baking sheet. Anyway, you want to toast those in the oven for 15 minutes. Don't worry if the glaze on them melts, that's okay. It will all taste delicious in the end, I promise. Then allow those donuts to cool. Then in a large bowl, you want to combine some eggs, some more egg yolks, some cream, sugar, vanilla extract, salt, and lemon zest. And I'll have all the quantities and ingredients and everything listed in the description box down below. So if you want to make this recipe, just open the description box and everything will be there for you. Whisk the mixture until it's well combined, and then you want to add the donuts and mix them until they're coated in the cream mixture. And press the donuts down so that they're submerged in the cream. I used a small plate to help with this because the weight of the plate presses the donuts down. Allow the donuts to soak for 7 minutes and then give them a stir and soak them for another 7 minutes for a total of about 14-15 minutes. Then pour the donuts and the cream into a 2-quart baking dish and bake at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for about 50 to 60 minutes until they are puffed, brown, and bubbling at the edges. So while the bread pudding is baking, we are going to make the topping because I figured if we're making donut bread pudding, we should make it look like a giant donut too. So we're using cream cheese glaze. This is so good. So to make the glaze, beat the cream cheese and some confectioner sugar with an electric mixer until smooth. Add some milk and mix until smooth and fully combined. Then once the bread pudding is finished baking, allow it to cool for about 10 minutes. Then spread the glaze onto the pudding and top with some sprinkles, and you are done. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that you liked this recipe. If you have requests for any other donut recipes, definitely let me know in the comments down below. My last video we made some donut soap, so it's homemade soap, but it looks like donuts. So if you are a huge fan of donuts and you want donuts in your soap dish, now it's a possibility. So I'll have that linked in the cards right here. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you're staying safe. If there's any other recipes that you want to bake during quarantine that you don't know how, let me know and I will happily make those for you. Anyways, yeah, I love you guys so much, and I will see you next Tuesday for a new video. And make sure to stay tuned on my Instagram this weekend because it will be Cookbook City. If you guys don't know, I have 3 new cookbooks that I am currently working on: a Christmas one, a dog one, and a Halloween one. So this weekend there will be a ton of behind the scenes footage of the Christmas cookbook as well as the dog cookbook. And I'm also going to do like a little mini haul of little outfits that I got for the dogs for the cookbook. So you want to watch that, I promise. So my Instagram handle is @PankoBunny. So definitely I look forward to seeing you guys there. And yeah, I'll see you guys next week here.